Hello friends, welcome back to my channel इंस्पायरिंग माइंड्स बाय पंकज शर्मा। आज फिर लीनियर अलजेब्रा का टॉपिक है। वंस अगेन इट्स अ टॉपिक ऑफ लीनियर अलजेब्रा, एक्सरसाइज 6B एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th। इसके लास्ट वाली जो क्वेश्चन वीडियो थी, इसके लास्ट वाली जो उसमें भी हम इसी सिमिलर टाइप का क्वेश्चन था। वो क्वेश्चन था कि उसमें बेसिस सेम थी, B1 एंड B2, मतलब एक लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दी हुई थी, वो आर स्केयर से आर स्केयर थी, यहाँ पे आर स्केयर से आर क्यूब है। एंड नेक्स्ट जो लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की डेफिनेशन है वो मे भी सेम भी हो सकती है और नहीं तो इसका कोई मैटर नहीं करता। और इसके साथ क्या था कि बेसिस गिवन है, आर स्केयर की बेसिस है 1 1 एंड 2 3 एंड द बेसिस ऑफ आर क्यूब इज आल्सो गिवन 1 1 1 1 1 0 एंड 1 0 0 फॉर आर क्यूब। एंड we have to find the matrix representation of the linear transformation related to the ordered basis B1 and B2. And today we will find a matrix whose representation is this T B1 and B2. लास्ट वाली जो वीडियो है वो आप देख सकते हो, उसमें T B1 है, मीन्स इतना T B1, और ये वाला मैट्रिक्स स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स बनता है। लेकिन इसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा, ऐसे देख के बता सकते हैं कि B2 का जो डिमेंशन है, मीन नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन B2 and number of elements of B1, then its order will be 3 cross 2. When we find the matrix representation at the last of the question, its order will be 3 cross 2. So the procedure is same as we have done, that we have two vector spaces R square, हमारे पास दो वेक्टर स्पेसेस हैं R square and R cube, and there is a linear transformation which is mapping R square into R cube. This is the linear transformation T, and both these vector spaces has its own basis, as B1 is the basis of this and B2 is the basis of this vector space. We know that basis is also a subset of the vector space, so that's why the elements of basis will lie in this vector space, and in this the elements are 1 1 and 2 3. Now we will find the image of 1 1 that will lie in R cube, because T is mapping R square to R cube. आपको पता है कि T डिफाइंड है R square से R cube तक, ये देखो। तो हम इसकी जो इमेज फाइंड करेंगे वो इसमें होगी, और अगेन द इमेज ऑफ 2 3 will also be in this. Now we will write these two elements as a linear combination of elements of the basis B2, because in this question the basis is 1 1 1 1 1 0, the separate basis for B R3. Okay, so let's start this question. First of all, the first step is write here the definition of solution, definition of linear transformation R square to R cube. And what is linear transformation T? That is, the linear transformation T is T of xy is equal to x plus 4y, 2x plus 3y, and the last one is 3x minus 5y. Now find out the image of first, किसकी करेंगे find? 1 1 की, T of 1 1. What we get? T of 1 1, 1 plus 4 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1. And what we get? यहाँ पे आ गया 5 again 5, and here is -2. The image of 1 1 is. Now to find the image of 2 3, now we have the image of 2 3 under T, 14, 13 and -9. You can see it by pausing the video. Now let's go for next. What is the next step? Since T of 1 1 belongs to RQ, therefore T of 1 1 can be written as linear combination of elements of B2. What are the elements of B2? 1 1 1, 1 1 0, 1 0 0. Now consider T of 1 1, which is given as 5, not given, we have find out 5 5 -2 is equal to, say लेट कर लीजिए यहाँ पे अल्फा बीटा गामा बी एनी स्केलर्स। स्केलर्स कहाँ से आते हैं आपको पता है, फील्ड से आते हैं। सो these all belongs to R. Now alpha 1 1 1 plus beta 1 1 0 plus gamma 1 0 0. Now finding out the values of alpha, beta, gamma. Now we have done the calculation, and look at here. T of 1 1 we have written as the linear combination of elements of B2, 1 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 0 0, and finding out alpha, beta, gamma by operating operations, and you can find out it easily. And here I have done it. Alpha is equal to -2, beta is equal to 7, and gamma is equal to 0, and we have placed the values of alpha, beta and gamma here. Now next, similarly we will find the image of we will find the linear combination of the image 2 3. And what is 2 3? That is 14, 13, -9. And again here is alpha plus beta plus gamma, and by equating alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 14, alpha plus beta is equal to 13, and alpha is equal to -9. Now by doing the calculation we can find easily alpha, beta, gamma, and you can see it that I have done all the calculation, and I got alpha is equal to -9, beta is equal to 22, and gamma is equal to 1. And by putting these values back to this equation, and T23 is equal to अल्फा, देखो अल्फा की वैल्यू, बीटा की एंड गामा की वैल्यू पुट कर दी हमने, एंड दीज टू एलिमेंट्स T of 1 1 and T of 2 3 I have done, and write it in the linear combination of elements of B2. Here are the linear combinations that I have find out, and now we will write here the scalar matrix. Now we will find here the scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is स्केलर्स जो हमने फाइंड किए हैं वो लिखने हैं बस, -2 7 0 -9 22 and 1. Now T of B1 B2, the required matrix is the transpose of the scalar matrix. Now getting transpose of scalar matrix, we get minus 9, 22 and 1. This is the matrix which we have to find out, and in question this matrix is to be asked to find, and it's clearly its order is 3 into 2. I have told you earlier that its order will be 3 cross 2, and we can find out its order easily by looking at the basis given vector spaces, and this one is the क्वेश्चन. आप देख लीजिए कि ये क्वेश्चन आपको अच्छा लगा, समझ में आया. अगर आया है तो देन कमेंट करके बताओ, और जो भी और कोई टॉपिक हो ऐसा तो आप मुझे बोल सकते हो, मैं उसके लिए वीडियो बना दूंगा और अपने चैनल पर डाल दूंगा. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.